What's up, guys? Welcome back. Beerus, full power, kind of like a muscular form. I imagine this is what he looked like if he went like all out and he had to fight like another god of destruction or something. So this is a fan art version. This was the coolest. I thought this was the coolest version. So shout out to Grey Tonano on Instagram. Give him some love. Follow him on Instagram if you are looking for some good DBZ fan art. So this was cool. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Start with Beerus's eyes. So they're quite big, right? So center point of my page is about there. Come up and start with the right one. So we'll go with these big curving. And there's no pupils or irises in them or anything, so it makes it easier. He's like berserk mode, you know. Okay. And he's got like this big frown here. And then we do the same on the other side. And then a big frown again. And then his eyebrows, or his nose, will have these sort of wrinkles on the top of them. So he's got that triangular sort of cat nose or dog nose. Is he a cat or a dog? Oh my god. I should have looked this up beforehand. Oh yeah, he's a dog, isn't he? I don't know now. Can't remember. Dog. Yeah, it has to be a dog, right? No. Nose lines coming up there. Sorry, now I'm freaking out. 1 second, I gotta check. I will edit this out, I swear. Okay, there's a whole Reddit thread on it, so he's a cat. So, although some people disagree. So then, his mouth, so he's open mouth screaming. So he's got that cat mouth that curves around, like so. Just this sort of double bump. And then it's open, so we curve it down. Around there. Then inside here we got like sharp teeth, right? And then on the bottom, big fangs in the corner and smaller ones in between. And then his tongue at the back, double bump. Just comes down, and then his molars sort of at the back of his mouth, just here. So, right, so his mouth real wide, right? So he's got this sort of stretched out lip. And then his chin underneath that. Jaw then. Put another wrinkle on the top of his nose, I think. And his cheekbone sticks out here. Kind of like his brow area then on top. And just do another sort of wrinkle here. Maybe like some stretch marks around the eyes and stuff. So then we got those big ears, right? So they kind of like bump out here and go right up, down. Little wrinkles on them where they connect with the head. One side will have an earring, actually. I might as well draw that now. Put it here. And then this ear. Like so. And then just the top of his head. There somewhere. Ear lines then inside. They're kind of simpler in the show. They kind of just do this in the show, right? But this guy makes them a bit more complicated, so we'll go like this. We'll add the complications, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Fan arts can take more liberties and do extra details. So his costume is like ripping off his body, right? So Beerus usually has a collar and like a thing coming across his chest. So, but they're kind of exploding off him in this, and I'm going to draw it like that as well. So the collar on this side, right? So like his neck is here, and then his collar comes down underneath his chin, right? And this collar comes around and it kind of like cracks here, so you can see like a bit more of his neck there. And then this collar like shattering and stuff breaks, and there's little sort of shards like so. And then his neck muscles, so like some anatomy. Neck muscle here, other side of it there, this neck that way. And then his trapezius comes down here, this one goes down this way. Now we see this God of Destruction thing that he wears, right? So it just comes across his chest here, but again, this is like exploding and ripping off his body, right? So it's like all jaggedy and stuff here, and then it just goes like back up around, right? So it's got like some details on it. It's like a white edge, and then that diamond, and then those lines. So the other side is kind of ripped like up here, so it's okay. And so it's like ripping apart here. So it's like there's some other little fragments kind of floating and another bit coming off his chest, but we're trying to get his like arms and shoulders in now. So your chest muscle always joins the neck here in the middle. So it like bumps across there. You have like some hatching lines there. So the center of the chest goes that way, and then these big square sort of chest muscles always go in here, and you could have like stretch marks for muscle fibers and stuff just all along there. The other one you can't really see, well, maybe a little just here. So shoulder muscles bump out this way, the other side here. Little lines on them for your deltoids, and then his like side body comes down this way. Real wide bodybuilder physique, right? That's like the shape. And then we have, of course, more anatomy inside, and then like things on his arms and stuff. But we'll get the sort of rib cage and all that. So like this curved line coming across his abdomen. Maybe comes up that way. Sorry now. Ink wasting. So yeah, oblique muscles on your ribs are kind of like these little branches or veins, kind of like letter Y's, curvy Y's. And then maybe over here. Yeah, there's some over here as well. And then abs, 6-pack. And then he's got a waistband on here, which just cuts across the belly. That, right? So his biceps are like breaking his arm bracelets on. So we'll just get maybe tricep, bicep, right? But there's a bracelet on these, so it's kind of being destroyed. So it's kind of like breaking here. This is like his bicep. Same on this side pretty much. So another cracked bracelet on his bicep. And like little golden shards. And then the bicep goes. Like that. And then tricep underneath here, out to his elbow. Well, not much bone going on because he's so muscular. And then his forearm. Up here. Same on this side. Forearm sort of bent up like he's doing a bicep curl, you know, weightlifting. And he's got like wristbands on. Big ones. With two sort of curved sections. Just where it joins his hand. Same on both sides. Boop. So, right, getting there now. Anatomy looks okay. Maybe just darken this up a little bit. Yeah, bicep looks alright. Okay, so fists. Alright, I'm just talking to myself. Can't see thumbs, so we can just see like the 4 knuckles, right? So we'll go up. 1 knuckle. Comes up to the top of the finger, curved over. Next knuckle. Top of the finger, curved over. Next one. Next one. And then like some knuckle lines and stuff back here. Do the same thing over this side then. So I'm going to give him God of Destruction, sort of like Vegeta's power, just all coming around, right? Sometimes it can have like spikes on it like this. But generally, it's kind of more round. You can literally do anything here, any sort of shape at all you want. There might be some like power coming off, jumping away. And maybe a little gap just here. Boom. Full power God of Destruction Beerus. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.